let me ask questions to Miss Baterno. Baterna. Anong person?
Ronalyn.
Rona Lynn, bago ka nagtrabaho sa Lucky South 99, saan ka nagtatrabaho?
Nag-apply po ako.
Hindi, bago ka nag-apply sa Lucky South 99, saan ka nagtatrabaho?
Casino po.
Sa, paki ano mo lang, yung complete, saan casino?
Sa Midori po, sa Clark.
Sa Clark. So, anong trabaho mo sa casino, Ronaldin?
Online shuffler po. Nag-shuffle
Online?
po ng cards.
Okay.
Opo.
Okay. So, diyan ka una nagtrabaho bago ka napunta sa Lucky South 99.
Opo.
Meron ka bang kakilala na taga Lucky South 99 na niyaya ka na lumipat? Kasi may trabaho ka na dun sa di ba? Sa casino.
Wala po.
Ano yung reason ba't ka napunta dun sa Lucky South 99?
Napasya lang po kasi ako nun sa may Grand Palacio since nag-resign na po ako sa Midori. Tapos may nakapagsabi lang po na casino daw po yun. Since galing naman po akong casino, so tinry ko pong mag-apply.
Okay. Pwede bang, I hope you don't mind, no? Tatanungin ko lang ulit. Kung willing ka sumagot, magkano sweldo mo dyan sa Lucky South 99?
Starting po sabi po nila 17.
17,000.
Opo, a month.
Tapos, tumaas.
Tumaas po nung parang binigyan po nila ako ng additional na trabaho which is yung nagpipirma nga daw po.
So, in-increase niya lang yung sweldo mo.
Opo.
Ikaw ba ay, you may refuse to answer. Ikaw ba ay dalaga o may asawa?
Ano po yun, sir?
Ikaw ba ay may asawa o dalaga?
Single mom po.
Single mom. So, Mr. Chairman, the reason why I'm asking that because yung susunod na tanong is related dun sa income ni Miss Ronalyn. Ano? Miss Ronalyn, meron kang sasakyan.
Meron po.
Pwede bang malaman ano sasakyan mo?
Honda City po. Second hand lang po.
Honda City. Wala ka bang Ferrari?
Wala po.
Sigurado ka?
Opo.
Mr. Chairman, we have a video that will show that Miss Ronalyn Baterno is seen driving a red Ferrari. Kaya nga, gusto kong malaman kung sa kanya yung Ferrari yon.
Pwede ba nating palabas siya na chairman na Barbers?
Pwede nating ipakita. I will show it to you later, Mr. Chair.
Siguro, while waiting sa dun sa video, may we ask as well, Ronalyn Baterna, I hope you don't mind, no, asking this, no? Because we wanted to dig deeper and ferret out the truth, no? So, single mom ka.
Yes po.
So, pwede ba malaman kung Filipino or Chinese yung tatay ng anak mo?
Filipino po.
Filipino siya?
Opo.
Okay. So, you have the birth certificate for that child? Can you kindly submit the birth certificate in this hearing? Can you submit the birth certificate?
Opo, sure po.
Please submit to this hearing, okay?
Opo.
Sige, thank you. So, we'll be showing the the video.
Here's the video of the, so, sino may-ari nung sasakyan na Ronalyn? Ronalyn. Yan, pwede ba pakita yan sa
Yung violation is
sinong may-ari nung sasakyan?
Rules, Section 11, Paragraph C, refusal,
Miss Ronalyn, sino may-ari nung sasakyan?
important question.
Please answer the question of Congressman Barbers, Ronalyn.
Hindi ko po nakikita, Your Honor. Okay po mo pa.
Pwede ka bang lumapit dito para ipakita ko sa ito?
The resource person is requested to approach
Hindi. Kaya
Congressman Barbers.
in-explain ko sa iyo, so you now understand the consequences of your refusal to answer pertinent questions. Kasi, sandali po, Mr. Chairman, who's the lady? No, she's the lawyer, attorney. Please don't whisper to the resource speaker. Let her answer, okay, on her own, okay? Unless the members of this committee allow you to say something to your
Mr. Chair, I would withhold the motion if right now Ms. Paterna will tell the truth.
siguro, Dennis Cunanan, andyan si Dennis Cunanan eh. Dennis Cunanan, you've been in the Lucky South 99 Outsourcing Incorporated.
Pero po, Mr. Chairman, di pa ako tapos eh.
The chairman can interject.
No, I am just...
Yes, I recognize you.
I do not want to
Yes.
hear.
Congressman Catuano.
With due respect, hindi pa po ako tapos because I have to ask first Miss Paterna if indeed she understands the contempt motion.
Okay, because of you give
And now
some...
you're...
Wait, Congressman Paduano. Let the chairman acknowledge you again or recognize you before you speak. Para medyo tayo may order, no? So, the good chairman of Committee on Public Accounts asked some question. So, can you please reply?
Okay, hindi pa wala tayo suspended. Ano? So, okay, can you kindly proceed, Congressman Barbers? Probably will not be showing the other video anymore because
Ngayon, sinabi ko na lahat.
Ano eh?
Yes, Mr. Chair, I agree. Siguro we'll just provide the committee copies of the videos
sabihin na lang sa COMSEC para...
for our record.
Sige, okay, go ahead.
Thank you.
Sa House.
Yes,
Yes, that's the next
you can
question.
proceed.
The next question na itatanong natin doon, nakita mo yung video,
Naintindihan mo ba?
ikaw ba yung nasa video?
Tapos,
Yes po.
violation
Ikaw din yung nagda-drive ng Ferrari.
Opo.
So, she admitted, Mr. Chair, that she's the one driving the vehicle. And the vehicle that she was driving is apparently, sinong may-ari ng vehicle?
Si Mr. Cruz po.
Mr.
Mr. Cruz.
Name.
What's the full name of Mr. Cruz?
Roberto Cruz po.
Roberto Cruz. Anong relationship mo kay Mr. Roberto Cruz?
to answer
Parang friends lang po.
truthfully.
Friends lang, ha?
Yes po.
Sige, Mr. Chair, I'll get back to her later. Let me just proceed. Let me proceed to my